Will adding more content to your webpage really improve your SEO ranking? Sadly, not always. So what's the answer? More content equals better SEO? In this video, I want to share with you about the importance of better content for your SEO. Better content just happens to usually be longer. So what does it take to write better content? That's exactly what I'll cover today. What's the magic number? Do you really need to stay in a certain range of words? What's the strategy that you need to make sure that your content ranks high in Google? What kind of content strategy will make people actually read your content, improving your bounce rate? Hi, I'm Patricia Boral, CEO of Boral Agency. We are a full-service marketing agency in Houston, growing businesses worldwide. Today, I'm not here to convince you about the importance of content for your SEO. No. I'm actually going to be sharing tips on how to make sure that your content helps you improve your SEO ranking. These tips can be applied to any industry, from manufacturing companies to construction companies, professional services, legal, tech companies, startups, and many, many more. We have been able to increase sales and generate leads, online leads, for our clients in both business-to-business and business-to-consumer industries. So, are you ready? Let's jump right in. First, let's talk numbers. What's the magic number? There is none. Sorry to disappoint, but there is no magic number or any kind of rule that dictates how many words you need to write to rank high on Google. So if you've been reading about that, like a magic number, don't believe them. In my experience, think about what's your goal. If your goal is to increase your average time spent on your webpage, which will increase your ranking, then you need to stay always in a certain range, just by the number of words. Think about it. On average, people will read 300 words in less than a minute and 3,000 words in around 10 minutes. So, a good average time spent should be around 2 to 3 minutes. So what I do, or what I will always aim to do, is write 2,000 words to help my overall web page average. Now, by now you're probably wondering, but how do I write content that will rank high on Google? Good news, there's 3 simple tips that can help you optimize your content Google ranking. First, as always, you need to choose the right keywords and write content based on the keyword intent. To help you with this, there are many tools online. For my own keyword research, I like to use SEMrush. I get an overall search volume. I will be able to see if that keyword is trending and also the keyword difficulty. Once you choose your main keyword, you have to also choose related keywords. That's the next step, to actually write content with those keywords that you choose. And the goal here is that you write a content that answers your audience questions. For this, I use a tool called answerthepublic.com. There, you're gonna find all the questions that people are asking around that main keyword. With this list of questions, all you have to do is sit down and write. And then you create what's called content clusters, which is step or tip number 3, to create optimized content for Google. Now that you know how to create that, you need to actually publish the content on your website. So what content strategy will make people actually read your content, improving your bounce rate? Why is that so important? A high bounce rate means that people leave your site without interacting in it. In other words, without clicking anything or without visiting any other page on your website. This tells or sends a huge alert to Google saying that your website is not relevant to that keyword because people are not interacting with your page, and this will lower your SEO ranking. On the other hand, reducing your bounce rate tells Google that your content is relevant and that keyword will increase your SEO ranking. So how do you do that? Here's the deal. First off, you need to truly create content that people would like and provide different formats to consume your content. That means infographics, videos, PDFs, and whatnot. Data shows that adding a video in the beginning of your blog post will reduce your bounce rate. Additionally, make sure that you have many internal links throughout your content. Make sure that your site is easy to navigate. And lastly, add a comment section and entice people to answer a question. And there you have it. Those are the tips to write better content to improve your SEO. To summarize, aim to write 2,000 words to increase your average time spent. Make sure you run a keyword analysis before choosing your main keyword. And add videos and links throughout your content to improve your bounce rate. Remember that your ultimate goal is to generate online leads in a consistent basis. And to accomplish this, you need to get more visitors, so you need more traffic, which means that you need to rank higher on Google. Make sense? Lastly, as promised, I want to help you increase your ranking. So I'm offering a custom website report that will include a content analysis and a keyword density analysis. This is not going to be an automatic report, and it will include a free 30-minute virtual consultation. So just click on the link shared with this video to get yours. Now it's your turn. I want to hear from you. How many words does your last blog have? Is it 200? Is it an 800 blog? 2,000 words? Comment your answer below. And as always, if you found this video valuable, make sure that you share it and like it so more people can benefit from the tips I shared today. Bye!